If you really want to succeed in your organization and if you really want to become one of the members of the top management, it is not at all enough that you should be knowing what you are currently doing. Your current job, which you are performing in your department or in your unit, does not at all guarantee that you would be reaching at the top management level. There are certain skills that you must be having in yourself and which you should be capitalizing in order to reach that top management level. Hello, I'm Ramiz Ahmed from the High Performance Quest, and in this video I would be telling you 4 important skills that you should be having if you really want to make a successful career in your organization. If you have these 4 important skills in yourself, you can really uplift your career, you can really create a good impression in front of your senior managers, and frankly, your success which you are looking for will be much quicker and it would be much easier. So, without further ado, let's get started with these 4 skills that you should be having in yourself if you really want to succeed in your job and if you really want to become a top level manager. The first skill that I want to discuss, and it is really very important for your success, and that is you should be having good networking skills. There are a lot of things that can be done very easily and with great comfort and synergy if you have good relationships with your colleagues. That can be your seniors, your juniors, or your colleagues at the same level at which you are. If you have good relationships with them and if you have good networking with those employees and colleagues, your work can be very easily done in your organization. Senior management needs results and implementations. And if you have good networking skills, it can really create foundations for you achieving results and implementations comparatively more easier if you have less effective relationships with your working colleagues. So, good networking skills is really important for you if you want to succeed in your organization. The second skill that you should be building in yourself is persuasion skills. You will be really a very valuable employee for your organization and you would succeed a lot in your career if you can persuade your team members, other stakeholders like customers, suppliers, other vendors in the best interest of the organization. This skill is very important in situations when you are in a meeting or if you are in negotiations and representing your unit, your department, or even your organization. And if you really want to make the counterparty do what you want them to do. For this, persuasion skills and influencing skills are very important. And if you can do this successfully, you can be a really valuable employee for your organization. The third skill that you should be building in yourself is good communication skills. You should really know how to speak confidently. You should know how to speak in front of your seniors and in front of your juniors. You should really know how to speak in a meeting or in a conference. Senior managers really look very critically how you communicate with your colleagues and with other stakeholders of the organization. So you should be really building up this skill and you should be really working on it if you want to succeed. Another aspect of good communication is that you should be knowing what to speak with the colleagues of different levels in your organization. It is highly probable that the way you would be talking with your senior managers and what you would be speaking with them would be completely different from the way you would be speaking and the topics which you would be discussing with your juniors. So you should be keeping in your mind this aspect of good communication as well. The fourth and the final skill that I would be discussing in this video is good observational skills. If you have attended few meetings, you might have seen people talking a lot. But you might have also seen a person who is sitting quietly at the corner, analyzing all the narratives of different members of the meeting, and then finally coming up with one or two sentences that is more valuable and has more weightage over all the comments that has been passed by other members. You might have experienced this sometime in your work life. This is the power of good observational skills. It can only come if you follow the golden rule: speak less and observe more. This makes your words more valuable, and frankly, everyone in the meeting room is looking forward for what that person has to say. So this is the one aspect of observation skills that you should be having in yourself. Another aspect of observation skills is that you should be observing your environment very critically and very attentively. To get successful, you should really observe the organizational culture. You should see how interdepartmental collaborations are done. You should be really observing how your strategic management thinks. You should really observe how your team take feedbacks, and then you should be reacting to it accordingly. So before taking any step or before making any decisions, it is very important to have good observations of situation around you. It is very important for your success in your organization. So these are the 4 skills that you should be mastering apart from the work for which you are hired in the organization. You should be having good networking skills, persuasion skills, communication skills, and observation skills if you really want to succeed in your organization. Well, this was all from my side for this video. I hope you have liked the video. I would really want you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notifications from all of my upcoming video. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.